Welcome. This video will cover hands-on project ideas and examples for applying Python concepts. Let's explore some exciting real-world Python projects. In this data analysis project, we'll create a sales dashboard. You'll learn to analyze sales data from comma-separated value (CSV) files, calculate key performance metrics, and visualize trends using Matplotlib and Seaborn. You will generate automated reports and identify top-performing products. The code on the right shows how to load sales data, calculate monthly revenue, and find the top 5 products by sales using pandas. Let's build a web application using Flask. Here we're creating a task manager. This project involves using Flask to handle client requests, manage routes and templates, and interact with the database. The diagram illustrates the flow of data between the client browser, Flask server, routes, templates, and the database. The code snippet on the right demonstrates setting up a Flask application with a database using Flask SQL Alchemy. Explore the world of automation with a file organizer project. Automating tasks can save time, ensure consistent results, increase productivity, and reduce human error. This project will teach you how to streamline workflows by organizing files into categories. The code on the right shows how to define file categories and move files to appropriate folders based on their extensions using the OS and SHUtil modules. To continue your Python journey, use learning resources like online courses, documentation, tutorials, and community forums. Practice with hands-on project ideas to build your portfolio. Join Python communities, contribute to open source, and collaborate with others. Utilize essential Python libraries and development tools for different domains. Learn to write good documentation for your Python projects, and explore techniques to deploy your Python applications to production environments. Happy coding! Dive into machine learning with a sentiment analysis project. This project will guide you through the machine learning workflow, including data collection and pre-processing, feature extraction, model selection and training, evaluation and tuning, and deployment and monitoring. The code snippet shows how to load a dataset, prepare features and target variables, create bag of words features using Count Vectorizer, and train a multinomial naive Bayes model using scikit-learn. Let's get into game development with Pygame. Discover key game components such as the game loop, sprites and images, input handling, and collision detection. The code on the right demonstrates initializing Pygame, setting up the display, defining game variables, and creating the main game loop. Delve into cybersecurity by building a password strength checker. Explore Python security tools like cryptography, SCAPI requests, and passlib. The code snippet demonstrates how to check password strength by checking length and complexity, using regular expressions and scoring patterns. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.